What's going on, YouTube? My name is Fahim. I'm from Boston, and this is my YouTube channel where I'm going to show you what I do to my 2020 Honda Civic Si. So let's get into it. So this is the outside of the car. Sorry if the audio is messed up or it sounds weird because it's windy outside. But this is the exterior of the car. I'm just going to show you guys around, show you that I haven't done anything. But yeah, definitely changing those side markers right there. We're going to be changing the chrome delete. We're going to make that into a matte black. This is the side of the car. This is the back of the car. There's nothing really done to it. Like I said, everything is stock on this car. So everything that I do, you guys will see. You'll be part of it. And that's the sides. Only thing I got done are these Husky floor mat. So I got it on passenger, got it on my driver's side. I also got them on here. I like these because they cover the middle, and this is one whole piece right here. It's not like a separate ones. This is just one whole big piece. So I like that, and Husky did a good job. They cover really well. I also got one for the trunk. No need to show that, but let's go to the inside. Show you the interior. So this is the interior. Got the nice steering wheel with the red stitching. Got the Honda badge, the dash. This is the infotainment system right there. How it looks. We got the red striping. Got the mirror. Got the hydrocarbon. Got the Best Buy bag. Got all my camera stuff in there. It's the Civic Si. You already know that. And that's just the back seat. Got the sunroof open. We're chilling. That's the control, all that, and the door lights and all that. But yeah, this is the interior. Like I said, we're gonna be changing things up, so this is just how the car looks stock. And now I'm gonna give you guys a point of view, and I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do more on the channel. So let's get to the point. Alright, what is going on, y'all? We are here. We're gonna be doing the point of view driving now. So I recorded it earlier and I actually messed up. I was on a time lapse, so sorry about that. Here I am. I gotta redo it, but that's fine. Here we are. So basically what I want to do with this point of view is talk about what I'm going to be doing with the channel and what my plans are. So I told y'all I'm going to be modding it, so let me tell you, I'm not going to be doing any performance mods anytime soon. Reason being is because I don't care about performance mods right now. What I really care about is getting the look of the car. I really want to get the car looking the way I want it to look, and I have ideas on what I want to do. So I told you guys I will be changing the side blinkers. I'll be changing the chrome delete. I'm going to delete that out. Another thing is, you see this, if you guys know the SIs, this is like a fabric. I don't know what kind of fabric, but it's some kind of fabric, and it's right here too on the armrest. It's all over the arms, and also the corner panel for the door, like right here, it's also here. I don't like that because I've seen on everybody who I watch on YouTube, I've seen them all complain about it. They say, oh, it gets dirty, the white cloth, I mean not white cloth, like your skin rubs on it. So obviously when it's summertime out, I'll obviously be not wearing a hoodie, so it's covered right now, but during summertime my skin will be rubbing on it, and I think the white skin cells and all that crap will be rubbing off on it, and I don't even want any of that to happen. So which is why I'm going to be ordering like these leather covers for it, basically. But yeah, that's another thing I want to do for aesthetic wise, look wise. Another thing is this rear view mirror. I'm going to be changing that, and I'm going to get an auto dimming one, so you know it'll dim by itself. I don't have to do this. I don't have to flip it back and forth from day and night. Get an auto dimming one. It will also have a compass in the top right corner, like right here. That's where the compass will be, so I'll have that going. And yeah, it'll have a compass, and the color of that will be this orange, amber, whatever you want to call it. It'll be that color, so it's all going to match. So I'm excited about that. I will do a dash cam, you know, just to have a dash cam, safety of my car. Anybody hits my car or anything like that, you know, just to have it on video if anything bad does happen, because I have definitely had bad luck with it. So definitely need that. And yeah, so another thing I will be doing are, I have them ordered already, but they just haven't came yet because they're out of stock. They should be shipping out sometime soon. Still don't know exactly when, but it's the Suma Performance side mirrors. So you see the side mirrors right now. The Suma Performance ones, they'll give them a blue tint. It's like a blue tinted mirror, so it kind of will give me a better vision. It says it gives more vision, a wider vision. It's reduces glare, so all the bright lights behind me, if it shines in there, it shouldn't glare as much, it shouldn't be as bright, and it should be water repellent also. So I think all that is really good to have for side mirrors, especially for like weather right now. Thank God for the heated side mirrors in this car. I love that feature. But I'll get those. They're already ordered. It's just the fact that it's not in stock, so it hasn't came to me yet, nor has it been shipped out. So whenever that happens, it happens. And yeah, also right here I'll be doing a wireless charger pad, just to have a wireless charger, so I can put whoever is in the car, they can put their phone right there to charge the phone. I'll do that. Another thing is, High Rev has these folding mirrors, so I'll also get folding mirrors. So every time I unlock the car and lock the car from when it's parked, it should just automatically fold the mirrors in when I lock and leave. When I get out the car, lock the car, leave, it should fold the mirrors in. When I come to the car and it's parked and I unlock the door, the mirror should fold open. And that's another thing I will be doing. Again, this is just plans I have, and not everything is in motion right now, but these are just the plans that I have. And obviously I will also be doing window tints, so we'll do window tints. I'm not gonna tint the front windshield at all. Can't do that in Massachusetts. Illegal. I can do the top 6, but I think just doing the top 6 looks ugly, so I'm gonna leave the front windshield alone. I'll do the 2 driver's side, I'll do the 2 back, I'll do the 2 quarters, and I'll do the rear. So I'll tint all that. I'm going to do the darkest legal limit. I think the legal limit is 35% in Massachusetts, I'm pretty sure. If it's not 35, it's 20, but whatever the legal is, I'm just gonna do the legal limit. I'm not trying to get Bob pulled over and all that, so we'll do the legal limit, but we'll do the darkest material, and I do know exactly where I'll do it. So whenever I'll record that video, so you guys will see that. Other than that, I'm going to be doing some side visors, you know, for the window seal right here. I ordered it from Hick, if you guys know Hick, H-I-C. I ordered the side visors from them. So again, those aren't in stock also, so whenever they are in stock, they'll ship it out to me. I haven't gotten any email that they are in stock yet, so still waiting on that. And it's also for the rear. It's like a rear visor. I also got that one, and from Hick too, so those 2 will match. Got that going. And I also got a Carouse design, Carouse, don't know how to say it, don't know how y'all pronounce it, but got a Carouse aero flap for the spoiler. So whenever that also comes in, it's out of stock again. A lot of things are out of stock, but whenever they come in, we'll get the videos rolling with that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Also, you see these yellow lights? I hate these yellow lights. So I ordered these last fit lights for the interior, which should turn all, I'm gonna turn all the interior lights to LED, because I genuinely do not like these yellow lights. I hate yellow lights. It pisses me off. I don't know, I just don't like it, the shade and how it is. The white ones will be bright, but that's fine with me. As long as they're white and not yellow, that's all that matters to me, because I genuinely do not like yellow lights. And if you guys seeing me shift and all that and it's rough, that's because I am brand new to driving manual. Yes, I am brand new with a new car, 2020 car. Yes, I am bugging, but hey, we're doing what we gotta do here. I'm learning. I'm not the smoothest manual driver, But hey, I'm learning. We'll get there eventually, you know? You guys will see that journey, because I will be doing more point of view drivings like this. I'll be going around the city trying to put Boston on the map, hence why I try to name it Fahim from Boston. But hopefully you guys enjoy the point of view drives. Hopefully you guys enjoying this. It's a good view, hopefully. And yeah, I don't know. Other than that, I told you what I want to do. Performance mods, I told you I'm not going to do yet, but I'll tell you what I have planned. Definitely a PRL cold air intake. Definitely will do that. PRL intercooler with the charge pipes. Definitely will do that later on. And lastly, will probably be an exhaust. Don't know exactly which exhaust yet, because there are quite a few, but I personally don't know yet. And like I said, that's not even in top of my priority, nor will performance mods happen anytime soon. Like I said, I'm just trying to focus on the look of the car and to get the car looking the way I want it to look. So we'll do that first, definitely. But other than that, that's pretty much it, man. Yeah, I don't know, I might just put some music on. Got my man Poppin' JQ with his release of Cowards. Don't know if you guys can see that, but follow it on Spotify, Poppin' JQ, Apple Music, all platforms. Go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'll just put some music over for the rest of the point of view. Don't know what my next video will be, but it will be something. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.